This is member-funded Vermont Public Radio, with additional support today from the Vermont Community Foundation, supporting the Vermont Women's Fund benefit October 4th at the UVM Davis Center. Tickets at vermontwomensfund.org. And Al Martin Volvo, thinking of family and safety with luxury vehicles and service for over 50 years. almartinvolvocars.com.
This is a national test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. Broadcast and cable operators in your area have developed this system in voluntary cooperation with FEMA, the FCC, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this national test of the emergency alert system.
Arizona
and there you have it.
California.
National Periodic Test through the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the National Weather Service, and the Federal Communications Commission. 2:21 in the afternoon on September the 27th here in the forest of southern Vermont. And there you have it, folks. Talk to you guys later.